My name is Ryan with Guardian Technologies. Today, we're going to talk about replacement filters for air purifiers. Specifically, when to change them, why it's critical to use GermGuardian genuine replacement filters, and how to change your filter when the time has come. For best purifier performance, we recommend you replace your genuine HEPA FLT4825 filter every 6 to 8 months. Over time, not only will a dirty filter struggle to purify air at optimal levels, but it will also affect the overall performance of your unit. Here at Guardian Technologies, our goal is to create a better home environment for you and your loved ones. That's why our air purifiers are AHAM verified, and all of our genuine replacement filters are true HEPA. One testament to the quality of our true HEPA genuine replacement filters is how often attempts are made to recreate them. Our filters are designed, measured, and tested specifically for GermGuardian air purifiers, and their effectiveness is minimized when a non-genuine filter is used. Now I have in front of me 5 non-genuine replacement filters and 1 GermGuardian genuine replacement filter. You'll notice that our genuine filter has a hard molded plastic shell to maintain the structural integrity of the filter core and ensure an exact fit to the unit. Our genuine filter also has a seamless injection molded gasket. This creates an airtight seal that forces air through the filter core and prevents air leakage like we see in lesser quality imitation products. You will also notice a drastically lower number of pleats in the filter core, as well as flimsy material used for the outer shell. At first look, these all appear to be similar to GermGuardian genuine replacement filters, but upon inspection and tested use, they don't come close. Now I'll show you a step-by-step process in how to replace your filter when the time has come. The green power light on the air purifier will turn red and flash continuously, indicating that it's time to replace the filter. Power off the unit and unplug it from an outlet. Even if you forget to turn the power off, there's a safety switch that deactivates the unit when the filter gate is removed. Remove the dirty filter from the unit. With the arrow pointing in the direction of airflow, gently press the filter into place. Resecure the filter gate. Then press the UV control button and hold for 5 seconds to restart the system. If done successfully, the light will turn back to green. You're now ready for operation. So, when replacing your air filter every 6 to 8 months, always make sure to use superior GermGuardian genuine replacement filters. Once again, my name is Ryan with Guardian Technologies, helping you create a better home environment.